Arik make emergency landing after engine develop fault midway. Welcome back to Royal Media. We dey thank una as una dey listen to us. Abeg make una share, like and subscribe to this channel. Abeg make we go straight to the tori as e dey. Arik Boeing 737/700 make emergency landing for Benin Airport on Wednesday after the engine failed midway. The aircraft, with registration number 5N/MJF, dey operate flight W3740 from the Muritala Mohammed Airport, Lagos, to the Port Harcourt International Airport, Omogwai, where the incident happen. Inside one video wey dey circulate on social media, the passenger wey be dey inside the plane be dey pray seriously as the plane dey try to land safely. The plane carry 80 passengers and na all passengers land safely with no life lost. According to Arik's statement, the incident happen on Wednesday and the aircraft crew make emergency landing for Benin Airport after dem detect say the left engine dey faulty. The airline tok say the crew hear loud bang from the left engine as dem wan land for Port Harcourt, so they quickly take action. The aircraft then land for Benin Airport and all passenger and crew members wey dey on board come down safely. Arik Boeing 737/700 wey dey operate flight W3740 from Lagos to Port Harcourt today, February 11, 2026. Divert go Benin Airport after the operating crew hear loud bang for the left engine, the statement tok. The aircraft wey land for Port Harcourt International Airport, Omogwai, where the incident happen, and as precautionary measure, the crew make safe plane diversion to Benin. No passenger or crew injure as all 80 passengers on board come down safely. The airline confirm say dem don make arrangement to carry all the passengers to their final destination. We don make arrangement to transport all the passengers wey dey affected go their final destination. We sincerely apologize to the affected Port Harcourt passengers where their journey dey disrupted. The safety and well-being of our passengers na our main priority for Arik. Director of Public Affairs and Family Assistance for NSIB, Mrs. Bimbo Oladiji, tok say preliminary observation indicate significant damage to the affected engine based on one initial visual assessment. NSIB confirm say Arik Boeing 737-7GL wey register as 5N/MJF wey dey operate as domestic flight from Lagos to Port Harcourt today experience in-flight engine abnormal and divert go Benin Airport, the statement tok. During the cruise phase, the crew detect abnormal indication on one of the engine. In accordance to safety rule, with established safety procedures, the flight crew conduct precautionary engine shutdown and divert to the nearest suitable airport, Benin. The aircraft land normal and all the passengers and crew come down normally. They no report any injury. My people, this one at the end of the story. Abeg, make una subscribe to this channel, and also make una drop una comment below the comment section.